Dine opogore sani koro kwa josiasa kod johera meg mondo yie onyae kwe molote kinde ma ji koro kampen nitiere mag josiasa mopogore. Jakom riwruog Jodolo e Afrika ma ugwe Bishop Ruben Shula nokwayo josiasa mondo yie opogore mabor gi siasa mago manyalo nyaya kweda kaka osebedo kanene kinde mokadho. Nosire kod Bishop Jojo uko mar Calvary Chapel Homa Bay maduto te noywago hera to kod achiel mar jo Kenya e kinde ma piny Kenya koro donje e wechego mag siasa. Gitiyo kod thuolono bende jiwo jopiny mondo koro ne ni owuok oko kendo dhi okawa nena ombulu chendo mabende koro dong' mana gi jumbe ariyo kende.
There's a lot that is going on, and I'm going to ask our people, and especially those who are seeking elective seats in the country, please let's maintain peace. Let's avoid issues of throwing words to one another. Let's go to the voters. Sell your ideas to the voters and let the people also decide. And especially I want to insist on the peace that we really are asking for in this country. I'm also asking our fellow Kenyans, including the church, everybody, even in the church is a voter. In this time the IEBC has given us the opportunity. The only way, instead of complaining thereafter that the member of parliament or my president or my governor is not doing this, is because you never went to vote. Go, take the vote, take the opportunity that has been given by the IEBC, register as a voter, listen to your heart, listen to the people that are selling their ideas, choose the person you want to vote, go home. Let's maintain peace. At the end of the day, Kenya remains. At the end of the day, we'll still be one. So whichever county you come from, we are all Kenyans.
I'm asking you, wherever you are, that as we are in electioneering period, please be cautious with the act of politicians, which at times lure you people to hate your brother, to hate your sister, to cast stones your brother and your sister. Remember that guy whom you are casting stone on, that is your brother and that is your sister. So I would vote for peace so that we conduct ourselves with a lot of integrity, in which even if politicians come into us to ask us to help him throwing stones, let us refuse. But let us stand and wait for that day, which is August, for us to go to the ballot and vote the person that we need. I want to say that if you fail to vote, you have elected a wrong leader. That is why at such a time you need to go and take your register as a voter, so that when the time comes, you will not just make noise, but you will do an action of voting the person whom you wish of your choice. Not according to tribal line, not according to ethnic line, not according to anything, but please have that your candidate, go for him when time comes. Thank you very much. May God bless you.